Is quantum computing really a bunch of parallel universes doing your homework at the same time? In the energy filament theory, the quantum advantage is not other worlds working over time. It's interference engineering in the energy sea, sculpting a phase map so the right answer becomes in step and the wrong answers cancel. The mainstream pitch often leans on shock values. With n qubits you have a 2n-dimensional state space. So it sounds like you created an exponential number of extra rooms. The rooms are real as a bookkeeping space. But that framing tricks people into the wrong movie. The physical movie is much more like engineering terrain. Think of a quantum gate as a controlled, local pulse that reshapes the phase landscape. You hit a qubit with a microwave drive, and you're effectively applying a precise twist that rotates its phase formation to a chosen angle. Do a 2-qubit gate said by coupling 2 superconducting islands, and you temporarily stitch a controllable phase bridge between 2 regions of the phase carpet, letting them exchange cadences inside a narrow window. In matrix form, it's multiplication. In this picture, you are carving ridges, valleys, and match the beat conditions into the phase map so certain phase histories line up and others don't. So why does an algorithm feel faster? Not because every path was literally executed. It's because you load many candidate possibilities into one coherent superposition. Then you use a gate sequence to tune phases like a choir director. The correct answer's phase is nudged towards the same cadence, while the wrong answers are pushed towards mutual mismatch. At the end, measurement acts like a stamp at the finish line. The in-step roots add up, the out-of-step roots erase each other, and the statistics amplify what you engineered. That's the punchline. Speed up is the filtering efficiency of interference, not multiverse labor. And this also explains why quantum error correction isn't optional. The environment loves to record phases, and phase leakage is deadly even when energy loss is tiny. You can keep the system cold and still fail, because the moment the outside world can distinguish more like 0 from more like 1. The fine phase detail gets smeared into coarse textures and the interference filter collapses. Error correction is basically anti-surveillance. Use redundancy so any local leak is too small to reveal the global phase message. Keep checking and nudging so the carving stays inside a narrow corridor. Finish the sculpture within the coherence window, because outside that window, the background wind smooths your ridges back into flatness. Next episode, we'll translate the path integral the same way no more every path is real. Just phase selection in a material sea. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.